Some of you are worried that electric driving can't take you very far. I'm here to show you what the electric BMW can really do. The BMW iX can reach an approximate range of 246 miles from a single charge, and the iX50 can reach up to 380 miles. You can keep tabs on your current range with the My BMW app, and when you hit the road, the BMW navigation can direct you to the closest public charging point. The iX xDrive 50 battery can go from 10 to 80% charge in under 1 hour 40 minutes when using a rapid DC public charging station capable of 50 kilowatts, and can take under 40 minutes if using a high-power DC public charging station capable of 195 kilowatts. Christoph Schroeder, director of BMW's largest production sites, explains Dingolfing have been building electrical vehicles here since 2016, and BMW aims to deliver 7 million fully electric and recyclable BMWs by 2030. By this time, BMW Group will aim to cut CO2 emissions for vehicle production by 80% compared to 2019. And by 2023, 25 electrified models will be delivered, including 12 fully electric models like the iX. The iX is simply electric to drive. Its all-wheel drive system gives you full control on every terrain. There's 3 modes for you to enjoy: personal, efficient and sport, with your own digital assistant to help improve your performance. And the acceleration, 0 to 62 in 4.6 seconds. So you can agree, the iX is progressive and exciting. It just looks and feels amazing. Whoever said that futuristic design technology couldn't look timeless obviously hadn't met the iX. Inside the iX's classic BMW shape, the introduction of Shy-Tech blends intelligent materials with surfaces for a minimalist and tranquil space. And with cameras and sensors integrated into the front grille and speakers loaded into the headrest and door panel fabric, it really feels like there is technology hidden away in every inch of this car. Very futuristic and very BMW.